just walls to hold the past, but a space where change is cast. Living, moving, shifting view, where the old gives rise to new. I wanna be Seattle's living treasure,